Ready, one, two, three, start. Speaking very fast, speaking very fast, slowly. Your music there, total to be slow, also. Is that clear now? Yes, more slower. Down, side, up, hands up. What are you doing? So inside be active, inside, and down. Start it. Attention. Okay, everybody be ready for school sound. Music. Straight. And side. Hands down. Start it. Do together. Attention. Start it. So, today is the last stage exam. And to give the speech, I would like to request Founder Principal Sir to be on the stage. Give a big round of applause.
Good morning, everybody. So, listen carefully. Today is the last day of this academic season. So after exam, you can go home. So, I hope everybody have done well and will upgrade it to upper classes. So, you everybody going towards the light from the darkness. Everybody learning sufficient to your life. And there is a result on 27th. So it will be at 10 o'clock to 3 o'clock. So you come with your parents or your guardians to get the result. With the result, you will get calendar also, grade sheet also. And another thing, in the coming season, we'll introduce one new thing, that is coding class and AI class. Okay, you can learn coding and AI in the school. So there are different kinds of programs. So when you learn coding and AI, it will be helpful. Especially if you learn coding, so you can do programming, design, these things. So that's the basic for the students. So if you learn basic things, furthermore you can study yourself. You can practice. Instead of engaging gadgets for unnecessary things, if you start programming, software developing, these things, it will be fruitful for your further study. So don't forget to get the result on 27th. So next year it will be very nice for everybody. Okay, thank you very much. So I hope everybody would do better and upgrade the upper class with good marks and good grade. Thank you.
Very much, sir. Everybody, be active and attentive. Cover up, side, up, clap. Clap together, everyone. Who starts talking? And side, hands down. Studies. Should I explain with sound? Attention. Lift and bang. Studies. Okay. So, in this academic session, this is the last birthday celebration. We are going to celebrate the birthday of one of the gem of Anupam. He is none other than Suyog Dhital from grade 4. Now remaining birthdays will be celebrated in next academic session. So founder principal sir is here. Okay, everybody be ready to wish in our own way. Ready, one. Sir, but we have to light the candles this one. Ready? Subhata Janma Deva Sarva Mangalam Sarva Mangalam Sarva Mangalam Jaya 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 Tava Siddha Sadhanam Siddha Sadhanam Siddha Sadhanam Sukha Shanti Samriddhi Chira Devanam चिर जीवनम शुभतम जन्मदिव सर्वमंगलम सर्वमंगलम सर्वमंगलम. On the special occasion of his birthday, entire family wishes Suyog Dhital a happy, healthy and prosperous birthday. Long life and destination-filled life. Okay, let's wish him in Western pattern. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday, dear Suyog. Happy birthday to you. It's the time to hear the lovely speech from birthday boys. Suyog Dhital.
Louder, louder.
A bit louder. What is going on? A bit louder, say na.
Namaskar and welcome to all respected principals or faculty members of our sister everything. I'm going to start the topic of my birthday today.
A bit drastic.
Today is my birthday. I am proud to celebrate with my own family, with my friends, brothers, sisters, and my teachers. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Okay. Standards. Attention. Standards. Attention. Cover up. And side. Hands up. And side. Hands down. Standards. Attention. March time. Okay, class 9 girls, move forward. Class 4 girls, move forward.